welcome back peoples. Today we're going to make banana maple muffins. I've had this recipe sitting around for years and I've never tried it, so let's give it a crack, eh? Alright, so the first thing you do is you always butter and flour your pan and get it ready. So we need a 12-hole muffin pan. And then you've got to preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Always preheat your oven when you start doing anything, that way it's ready when you're full. Alright, I'll put a couple of things in here to try and make it a bit quicker for you. So you've got to sift 2 cups of self-raising flour, 1/3 of a cup of plain flour, and 1/2 teaspoon of bicarb soda. Alright, so sift them into there first. Then you've got to mix in, I'll always put the recipe down below because sometimes I say what it not actually is. Alright, so once you put those in there, in the sifter, it's 1/2 cup of firmly packed brown sugar, which means push it down. Okay, 1/2 cup firmly packed brown sugar. 1/4 cup of maple syrup. Oh, I love maple syrup. And this one's a pretty awesome one. Let's see if I can get it in the camera. It's an organic maple syrup from Canada. But I'm guessing they're all from Canada because every single one in the store is from Canada. So Canada, well done. Beautiful. Oh, if there's any Australian ones, heck, let me know. Okay, so we need 1/4 cup of pure maple syrup. Look at that golden goodness, mate. Oh yeah. This is so different. Alright. 2/3 of a cup of mashed overripe bananas. So when they say overripe, I call them old. Old bananas. Get all the brown bits out, but that's exactly what you want. So I mashed 1.5 decent sized ones, end up being, yeah, 1.5 decent sized ones end up being, what did I say, 2/3 of a cup. So I've already done all this. Alright, then we need 2 eggs beaten lightly. I don't know what the heck that means, I'll just beat the shit out of them. Alright, so 2 eggs beaten lightly. 1 cup of milk. And 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. You know me, I always use olive oil, but the recipe says vegetable oil. Oh, it'll help if I take the lid off. Yeah, it's a cold day and I thought, oh, what can I do to warm up the house, put the oven on, what can I do? Why do they, I mean, it's great when they do it slow, unless you want something fast. Oh my god. Alright, next time I'll have it poured in there for you, so how about that? Alright. So this is 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, but I'm using olive. I use olive oil in my mud cake too, and it's beautiful. Alright, so if you've already got your oven preheated and you've already got your everything all ready to go, how quick and easy is this when you prepare everything first and get it all ready to go? Alright, so now we just beat the crap out of it. I mean, it's supposed to be to do 12, but I don't know, it looks like a bit more than that here, we'll see. I could be wrong. Okay, so when that's beaten up, it's alright, darling. Right, it doesn't say how much or how little, so I'll just give it a good squirt at it. Wow, the smell coming out of it's pretty good. It's always a good start, isn't it? Alright, and then put it into your muffin trays. So I'll just do a few for you and then I'll fast forward it up or whatever. Measuring cup. I don't know what, you know, some people use spoons now. I just use measuring cups. They seem to be a bit easy to do. Alright, well let's just see how much we get out of this. Always scrape the bottom. I don't know how big they're supposed to be, so I've got about there. It actually smells really good. So anyway, I'll be chucking these in the oven for, oh, I've got to go find it in a sec. I think it's on the back of it. Alright, so just remember it's 200 degrees. Seems a bit high, but apparently that's what it is, so we'll have a look. Oh, it seems to be a lot of mixture here. I can't believe how nice that smells. Who would have thought? Maple and, I don't know, probably, heaps of people probably got this recipe, but I've always wanted to give it a crack. Alright, looks, gee, it's come close to it. I've probably got enough left there for maybe another 2. Okay, fill them up. Now, jump on the back side of here. And we, 200 degrees, we bake for 20 minutes. Alright, so you know what I'm like? I like just doing it a couple of minutes earlier just to see how they're going. So I'm going to put them in for 18. The recipe says 20 minutes. Alrighty, it's been 18 minutes. And I've got an electric shitty oven, remember, so things cook a lot quicker in an electric oven than they do with gas. So always do it for a few minutes earlier and check it if you've got an electric oven. I've done 18 minutes and I'm pretty convinced that they're cooked. Oh, wow. The house smells amazing. Check this out. That's crazy, eh? Look at that. Alright, so remember, up as high as you can get it. Flip them out. Oh, there. Right, that smells unreal. Oh. See, if you take the time to do your tray, you'll never get it sticking to the bottom. If you do the butter and flour, oh shit, they're hot. So, yeah, take the time to do that and you'll never get them sticking. I mean, look at the bottom on that. It's beautiful. Oh, now they're a bit squishy on the inside. I'm hoping that's just the banana. Oh my gosh. Alright, well, so far so good. They smell the part and they look the part. Alright, let's crack one of these babies open. Oh, mother. Oh, look at that. I'm trying to turn it up so you can see. Oh, that looks so nice. Oh, God. Alright, they're hot. That looks so nice. Alright, Jerry's in. They were beautiful hot and they were beautiful cold. But I'll give you a free tip. If you want to serve them hot, I reckon if you drizzle some maple syrup over them and put some ice cream with them, you've got a 5-star dessert there. But yeah, really tasty. I'm wrapped. So have a great day and I'll catch you tomorrow. Bye.